Hello everyone, my name is Richard Nance and I sell used trucks. Today I present to you a 2016 MACK CHU613 Gold Bulldog truck. Gold Bulldog means it has a MACK MP8 motor, an M-drive transmission, and MACK rears. This truck has 346,000 miles. Straight from our leasing and rental department. All services have been maintained through Service at a Glance. This truck features a wet line kit, new virgin drives. It's been professionally detailed. This truck will make a great addition to your fleet. Great truck for a first-time owner operator or a great farm truck. Call Richard Nance, 336-663-2891. Thank you.